Today I'm making salve, Comfrey Salve, and these are my bottles that I put them in. I just poured like really hot water to just like whatever contaminants are in there is now gone. And this is the salve that just came from my mini slow cooker right here, where I melted all the ingredients and poured it into these 4-ounce bottles, and I made some labels. My computer, and it has a QR code, so you can go to my blog to read up on Comfrey, and then it does have it came with these little scoopers. Isn't that cool? And then I'll show you how I'm going to wrap it up and give it as a gift. Hi. Okay, so I'm done, and this is already solid. I'll show you what it looks like. Look how cute. What do you mean cute? What do you mean cute? Okay, it has now solidified. Set. So beautiful. And I have my tag, my label, and my QR code. So if you guys want to check it out and see what the benefits of Comfrey are, yeah, you can just email me if you want some to purchase. And this is a 4-ounce jar. So I have these little tiny scoop things that go with it, and I'm going to make it so it's Christmassy. Since I have these napkins, I'm just going to wrap it up in the napkins. I should have got my, hold on, let me get my twine. Here's my twine. Doesn't have to be expensive. And I'm just going to wrap it up. Oops, actually, this is getting in the way, so I'm just gonna do it. That's it. Simple, beautiful, and very essential to health, because this is anti-inflammatory. It's good for arthritis. It's good for dry skin. It's good for everything. It's actually good for like menstrual cramps, it said. So you have to like rub it on your tummy. But this is, you have to use it externally. And here's my burlap bag. You can add a card in there if you want. There you go. There it is. And I'm going to give this to my daughter and my daughter-in-law. So it's just going to be like this. I'll just add like a little tag that says their name on it. Because my daughter has been suffering from really angry cramping. Hopefully it helps her. There you go. Don't forget to like this video, and if you guys want some of these salve, just email me at theremnantsnapa@gmail.com. It's gonna be on here, and I will let you know how you can order it. This is not like a mass selling product because I can't mass produce it, but it has been produced very carefully and very thoughtfully so that everybody who gets it, who buys it, will have the most care in the preparation of it.